Hello and welcome. Today we are doing Ford Mondeo MK4 front wheel bearing, passenger side. In order to do that, you need tools like 10mm socket, 18mm, 15, as well 30mm, 22 wrench, 5mm hex. I mean 4mm, not the 5. And obviously we need a special tool to press this bearing in and out. To the fact we don't have that, we are going to use a hydraulic shock press. And I have done this before with those presses in the Ford Galaxies and the other Mondeos, not this particular one which is coming in today. And it's working. Obviously, if you look the instructions which are coming with a new hub, there is obviously instruction for to use the special tool. But I'm using the shock press, and it's been working. It will work. And those bearings what I did like 4 years ago, still holding, still working fine. So I don't see any problem at that. But obviously some Ford enthusiasts will watch this video and start crying because I'm not using this right tool. Anyway, let's start the job. Drive shaft bolt. Since there is no wheel gap, I'm going to open this first 30mm. I took this long socket to reach. Crank it open and then take the wheel off. Now once you got the wheel off, brake caliper bolts, 2 bolts, 18mm. Took small gun and blasted it out, so we can remove the caliper away, set it aside, we don't need it. And this is a 15mm wrench into this 5mm hex, just to hold this stabilizer. So in order to pull the stabilization bar out, I'm using the other jack down here to release spring pressure. Let's start one so I can pull it out without problem. But be careful. Don't want to. 22mm. It pops out. 21mm. There is a bolt down here. Undo that. Then we can remove control arm. Then take out this drive shaft bolt. Pull it out and then move up. Now it's good if we have other friend in help. Solid metal bar between the frame. One pushes down with the foot, the other keeps hitting this part. The reason why you don't want to remove all those 3 bolts, then you need to go to alignment. Right now we don't have to make alignment after changing this bearing. Pull the drive shaft out. Don't pull it out from actually. And now move up top. ABS sensor we keep inside, we don't take it apart. Usually they tend to break, so you have to mess with it. 10mm, 3 bolts, one is back there. Crank them open, and once you undo, then you can take the whole strap unit out with the axle. So now everything is settled up. Time for pressing. Heat the flat gun. Start heating. Heat both sides where the ABS sensor isn't present. The ABS sensor left is somewhere here, so that side can't heat. Heat both sides and then start applying pressure a little bit. So after massive heating and the pressing, you can see the bearing started finally moving. See? I think I'm reaching the cylinder limit soon. What you can see, the bearing is finally coming off. It was super stuck, and since I don't have that.
Now we can release the pressure, put the socket back in.
What? Maybe we don't need it. See, bearing is out. The cylinder travel is very big, and it was so stuck that, yeah, it's super hot. Anyway, new bearing goes in much easier, so the first part is getting this older one loose. So now, once you start pushing the new bearing in, there is lip down here, if you can see slightly. So the bearing won't go any further. So this is how far it goes. This is the ABS sensor. So be careful, don't break it. But taking it out, usually they break. Sometimes the bolt breaks, sometimes this plastic piece is gets stuck inside. So that's the way I take it off. Same with the strut bolt. Usually if you are alone and you don't have helping hand like I do today, then I take this off. But I don't want to touch it due to the fact it's kind of rusty, and that's just extra job. And before you start pressing in, take the Vaseline spray or any kind of oil, spray inside here, everywhere, so it can slip in. And now it's at the end. Don't apply too much pressure. Seems like it's okay. Oh yeah. Let's see. Okay. Yep. And it's at the end. Obviously this Vaseline I'm going to clean away, otherwise it will start collecting dirt and make this ABS sensor go wild. Once you got the bearing and everything pressed, nothing else, then start assembling, put everything back together. I'm not going to film this because you did see how I took it apart. But so, thanks for watching.